Hey guys, Dave here from Wolf and Wild Survival. I got something you fishermen are really gonna like. So this here, right beside me, it's called curly dock. It's got a bunch of other names, but it's curly dock. And it's an edible. It's wild ale. And there it is, from stem to stern. Now it's got these seed clusters. It almost looks like pepper grass. It's not, it's way more clustered than pepper grass, but it almost looks like pepper grass. Right? Now, the reason why you're hearing so much background noise, traffic and whatnot, I actually just shot a video sort of roadside, and this stuff only seems to grow in areas of disturbed soil. It doesn't like, you know, regular fields kind of whatever. I only ever see this stuff growing on trails, roadsides, kind of whatever, and I thought, you know what, I know it's going to be a real pain with all the traffic noise, but I'm going to take the opportunity to do this video. Right. The stem is just like, it's, I don't want to say hairy, but it's just a little tiny bit fuzzy, and it's got lines, you know, that basically run down. It's, you know, it's nice green color, but it's just ever so slightly a little bit of peach fuzz, almost like peach fuzz. And it's got, like when you cut it, it's got a really large amount of pith. There's a lot of pith in there. And it's very mildly flavored. It's almost flavored like the leaves. But so there's a good example of the leaf. And actually it's not a very good example because a lot of the time it tends to twist and curl. This is a fairly young specimen. But the reason it's called curly dock is because it tends to, as it grows, it tends to twist and curl a bit. So what's so special about the leaves or this plant? What is, you know, why are fishermen gonna like it? Because the leaves have a very lemony kind of flavor to them, especially the younger ones. But while you're cooking your fish, if you wrap them up in curly dock leaves, they will take on that lemon flavor. So, oh geez. Case in point, keep an eye out for what you're doing. When I thought that was poison ivy for a minute, and I was just bending down in it. So, okay. So yeah, the leaves are lemony flavor. So when you're cooking your fish, you wrap them up in some of the bigger leaves and, you know, kind of do it up. The fish will take on some of that lemony flavor as it steams in, and it'll help keep your fish moist. So if you want a delicious meal, riverside or lakeside, and you have access to curly dock, I will, almost any fish, practically any fish, you cook it in some of that, you're gonna have a pretty good meal. That no lemon, you don't need to bring lemon juice into the woods with you or whatever if you have access to that, because you can get all the flavor you need right there. So pretty good deal, and once again, I mean, you know, just like I don't know anything about, you know, nutritional information or, you know, calories per 100 grams or anything like that. I'm not that technical of a guy. I just know that you can eat it and I know that it tastes good. I know what it tastes like, and I know basically, you know, how to prepare it, you know, in such a way to make it as enjoyable as possible. So for all you health conscientious kind of people that, you know, need to know like the nutritional information, I'm sure you could look it up, but you're not going to find that here. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys give that a try, you fishermen. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you like it, because personally I think it's delicious. You guys have a good one. We'll see you in the next video.